So today I'm making a tutorial video about Kotlin. And today I'll make a tutorial Kotlin about something like this. First, we'll create a project first, and then enter our project name without space. Without space. Okay. Then save this document. And then the add name is so and we just add we and then we just enter the package name. My package name is icon dot zhofran dot talk to me like this. Yeah. Okay, for the first get a new project, create project in here, and then for that you have to make account in Kotlin. And then after the project you just enter the name, enter the app name, and then again in configure your project, and then package name, and for the background code, and for primary code and primary code and access I didn't change isn't just isn't okay, after that finish, and then yeah, this screen is a Poco Pixel. We just change the Samsung Galaxy S9. First after this and it just uncheck this show option menu, and then we just search space. Yeah, setting first the screen is line horizontal center. For top is just normal top. And then for the height is 6% like this. After this, just enter the just type the text box like this, text box, and for the height is 7 and 5%. For width is 90% like this, and then after this after this just enter type space again, space, and here for the height is 5%, and then we just search align horizontal, align horizontal, yeah, arrangement, horizontal arrangement like this, and for the height is I said 10%. For width like this. For horizontal arrangement is for put your image or your items or you're creating in here to become horizontal and vertical. There's going to set off like arrangement that is vertical and horizontal. Okay. For the next, you just click you just search a button like this. But yeah, for horizontal elevation is center and center. And for the button, height is 5%, and no, 5%, 8%. Width is 10%, and 20%, 40%, 40%, 40, 65%. And for the shape is rounded, firmly rounded, and text for button one. We just rename for the text is speech. We check this. Oh yeah, yeah. We have to rename this button because we will make many buttons, two buttons at least. And then after this space as a special, yes, I just put in here. With hey automatic and with is 3%, maybe no 5%, maybe 4%, and then oh yes, uh, duplicate this button, duplicate duplicate this button, and then we rename we just to record button. Then and then we change the speed text to record. Okay, okay. Uh, After this, oh yeah, you can also put for Lottie item in here in palette. Lottie, just search Lottie drawing and animation. It for the sounds in your application. And then just type space like this. Space and to pick only 5%. Like this. And after that, we just go to the coding blocks. Oh yeah, for change the color in here, it's up to you. You can change color, not text color. You can change color. For this is blue because my theme is blue. This is same. Just no, like this, and then just copy paste to here like this. Okay. After this, oh yeah, this one for the text and for the hint, it's up to you. But I will change. I'll type and put the text like this. And then we just go to the coding. For the first is screen. Okay. Coding screen. Screen right. Then just go. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a decoration. decoration, decoration, push recognizer, recognizer, and then speech recognizer, text to speech. Yeah, this. And then after that, uh, we'll go to the decoration, uh, the set shape. This, this code, this code is for to set your shape, uh, or to modify your application. Yeah, and here, for the masking, need to text box, put text box, text box like this. Yeah, and then background color, I would say blue. Wait, like color, okay, take blue, and border color, I would take white. Eh, just lah, change is up to you. If it's wrong, is true. Text object is true, and then after that, just set the padding for our application. Just go to decoration, set padding. After that, text box. We go to text box again, and then we search text box input what text box text what text box text box like this text box component text box, and for the values is where the values I will enter I will type 10, and then we just go to another is text to speech. So yeah, maybe this one. Forget uh country, no, like country to Ina. So Ina is an Indonesia. Ina like this. Uh, and then just go to the next code. Let's go to this page bar. So like one button speech click, yeah. And then just text to speech, come text to speak, and message is in text box uh, that is text box text text where text box text nah this one. After that, you just go to another the secret button when click, yeah. So speech recognizer, you go to speech recognizer, get text, call to get text, and then we just go to speech recognizer, dot minus speed recognizer that uh, that text box as a text box yeah, set text box text to uh, set text box text to, and then after that we just go to math there, math, so get result, get result, get result, no, no, I forget the get result is very get result, get result, and yeah, after this done. And this is my talk to me app for tutorial and yeah, tutorial and making. So this code is for to get a result into our application for text box, and for WhatsApp card it's getting text, because if we record we will record with a sound, and with water speech is text box with speech, yeah, like record to, and like with speech, and yeah. So maybe so. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.